Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I have another Plan With Me video. This is a brand new layout from Miss Victoria Thatcher. Well, brand new to me. I think she published it maybe a month or so back. So this is the sticker layout that I'm going to be working with, and I have pulled it into my Cricut. And you can just print these. She has these all lined up where you can just print and cut them with scissors or fussy cut, whatever you want to do. They're nice and simple, primarily squares and rectangles. I actually pull the file into my Cricut and I play with it a little bit. So these are the stickers that I have made from her free files. And here's a couple more. And I'm going to come up with a layout. So if you'd like to plan along and see what I'm going to be up to, then stick around. This is going to be fun. Beautiful colors, and I can't wait to get to it. Again, it's called Quarantine. So if we haven't been quarantined long enough, let's finally use some really cool stickers to go with it. All right, guys? Stick around. think, guys? I think I'm done. This is my before the pen. So honestly, I think it turned out really, really cute. I hope you like it. I can see where I went a little crooked on a couple of places. But I like that I didn't have to cover up my little inside spine with washi or anything. These colors that were already in my Glamour Planner worked out beautiful with this palette. So that was a huge plus. I found 2 different colors of this sparkle washi, which I just love. I think this is like a rose gold. This is closer to a gold. I think it came out really, really cute. I love these colors. I like the layout. It did something, you know, completely different. And I think it's really fun. So I hope you will give this a try. Don't forget to download. Go to Victoria's page. There's a link below where you can find these stickers and download them for free. She does amazing work. I love her, love her. And don't forget, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. We do this on Fridays. There was a break there for quite a while, but we're back to Fridays. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And thanks for playing along with me. I hope you have a beautiful week planned ahead. I will see you soon. Remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light.